right, so my phone case and accessories for my new Google Pixel 6 Pro arrived. I went with some products from a company called SP Connect. So here's the case, and you'll notice on the back it's got this connector. And this is why I decided to go with this case is you could get the camera light adapter kit, and it will use this connector, and then you can put it on the end of a selfie stick or any other mount that's made for GoPro. So I already own some GoPro accessories. My selfie stick already has the mount for the GoPro. So this would be a way to securely fasten this phone, which of course you definitely don't want to drop, on the end of some accessories that I already have. Another thing is there's a ring mount that'll go onto this, right? So you can put that there, and then that's a real easy way to keep a hold of it. And if you're setting it down, and you want to stand for it, you can use the ring mount for it. Now I did ask SP Connect, and they said this case works with the wireless fast charger. And when I feel in here, there doesn't seem to be anything that would get in the way of that. There are some different cases that didn't say that it worked with the wireless charging, fast charging stand. So I wanted to make sure that. Then the last thing I got, this feels like Tupperware-ish kind of plastic, and this is the front cover that you can, when the phone's in the case, you can put it on, and then that keeps it super safe from the elements. And it's also got something over top of the screen. So this has just been a YouTube short to show you the SP Protect phone case for Google Pixel 6 Pro, the ring mount, the camera light adapter kit, and the weather cover for Google Pixel 6 Pro. Later on, we'll have some more content that will show these things on the phone, and also I'll be able to share my impressions of both the phone and these accessories as time goes on. Also, this is the first video, I think, that I'm going to have used the Google Pixel 6 Pro to take. I am using the LED light that's on the phone to provide illumination. And see everybody later.